Santa.
It seems like we're like Nordic.
We got the same colour beard.
And guys, welcome back to the channel. And first of all, apologies that this has taken quite a while to get a next video out. I've been really down with the flu and I lost my voice, so I haven't been able to record anything, so real apologies. But thank you so much for coming back and watching another episode. So today we actually have a couple of things. One, it's Christmas time. As you can see, the weather is really getting dark on us. So we got the Tesla here. It is mucky and dirty, not at its pristine state as normal, but we will get it washed in a few more days. But we've been doing a bit of Christmas shopping, so we're going to show you some of that, getting prepared for Christmas. And as you can see, we just seen the Formula 1 World Championship, and it was an amazing race. So bad luck for Lewis Hamilton. We were really vouching for Lewis, but it was in the gods, wasn't it, that there would be some sort of drama at the end. And such an amazing win for Max. Congratulations to him. He did really, really well, and so bad luck for Lewis next year. Okay, so guys, we've got a new update for the Tesla, and we're going to run that now. I've read some articles around this, and it looks like, again, there's some improvements for this bad weather. So there is some improvements for the weather conditions. There's also some improvements on the sat navigation, and for the Brits we've got some language support. I didn't even know we didn't have any, but there is a extra British language support for the sat nav, so we're going to go through that in a minute. So guys, we're going to get in the car and we're going to trigger off the update. Alright guys, so we're in the car. As you can see, black screen, first time in our videos, because it's getting so much darker these days. But here we've got the software upgrade. So it's moved up because I've left it for a few days waiting to do this video, and it's 2021.40.6. I'll put that up on the screen as well. So let's install that now. Double tap it again just to speed it up, and there you go. So we'll wait for this update to happen. You know, we'll definitely catch up and go through some of the features. But guys, as I mentioned, I did want to take you back. We a few days ago started our Christmas shopping, so we've we chose a tree, and we bought a few bits and bobs for the house, and just to make it really festive.
No, not one tree.
We bought 2 trees. So this year we have bought 2 trees, a smaller one to go into a room, just to get our little 2-year-old really into the atmosphere, and then we've got the bigger one. So we'll have that delivered, but you'll see us select that, so we'll go and see that now.
Wait for it. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light.
To the back.
Green light.
It's scary.
We're going to go and get a tree. Well, it's not going to come in this car, but we're going to go and
Gonna
select
fit in
it.
here. Let's see if they deliver. Deliver.
Wow.
Wow.
How's it been, Tesla Dad?
It's been good, but they've got no collection trees. Look. I don't think they've got any. Let's have a look.
Maybe we could just get a little one. That'll come in the car.
So right, we're going to choose a tree. I think either that one. Is that going to fit in the Tesla?
No way.
But I think they do delivery, so I think we're going to be all right. Or this one. What do you think?
I think we should go around here. Let's go around here.
What about this one?
And we have to have a little one.
Too big.
It's too small.
So what are we doing now, guys?
Now we want a small tree for the dining area. Not too wide.
And not too slim like Tesla
slim.
Dad.
Yeah, we just need it just right.
This place is incredible. I love this place.
We would have liked this one, but I think we need a new house for that.
Yeah.
That isn't going to quite fit.
Oh
Unless
man.
we take the roof off.
But it's
Yeah.
sold.
This is what like you know like towns use.
I think if we had our Model X, we could probably fit that in. Right, I think we're going to get this car mat. Christmassy car mat.
But it's
Next
not-
year we'll ask them to make us a Tesla version.
What the ones
This
do
would
they
be
have?
alright.
It's a doormat.
This looks like a Raven. Raven electric. I don't know, they look a bit prickly to me.
Prickly.
I think I'd definitely get hurt with one of these.
Dad would be the one who'd walk into it every
I'd walk
morning.
into it. I know I would. Look at that Santa.
It seems like we're like in Nordic.
We got the same colour beard. Blue is the theme to this year. Blue is the selected theme.
With silver.
Come on then.
Where's Babs?
So we go. Okay, so we're leaving the garden centre now. We've got our Christmas trees all sorted out, and they are going to deliver it for Monday, so it's perfect. We wouldn't have been able to get those trees in here, unfortunately. We're so used to the 4x4 and picking our own tree up, but this year we'll get it delivered. But there you go, all done. Okay guys, we're back in the car. The update is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We actually had quite a bit to show you. We had Halloween there. Simran was 14, so we had a bit of her birthday party on show as well as some of the festivities. So I really hope you guys enjoy that. So now we're back in the car. So we are here at the release notes. So here we can see what we've added. So we've got the add stop. So add stop to your new route by tapping the plus icon on the navigation. So that's great. So we can now add a stop as we go to a certain place. Now that's really good, because you know when you just go to, you know where you're going on a long distance, but you just want to add some stops along the way, some specific service station you want to go to, or if you want to do an errand on the way, or if you want to stop into some shops or something. That's a great feature to be able to put an interim piece of the journey that you want to add. So that is a really great feature. We've got cold weather improvements, guys, so we can now enable the front defrost and maintain our climate settings. So we'll show you that in a second. And additional improvements include the heated power when frost defrost is enabled, so that's great. So I know this is something that I don't know if you guys have been experiencing, but we've had the temperature go really hot
or really, really cold. And I'm actually got a service booking with Tesla on the 5th of Jan to check that out. And apparently there is some sort of issues with some sensors. So I think we may have a slight problem. I will report that back when I take you guys with me to check the temperature going really, really hot. And the missus, they had a function to go to that I was ill, I wasn't able to go, and they had the temperature of the car at 11 degrees and it just wouldn't heat up at all throughout their whole journey. And so I have booked this car in to Tesla to get that looked at, because apparently I've been reading some people have been experiencing some sensor issues with that temperature. But I did a reset and it seems to have temporarily fixed it. So let's just see how that goes. But this is great. So we've got definitely some improvements on the heating power. So when we enable the temperature to get the demisting going, so that's good. We got Tidal. So Tidal streaming. I don't actually have an account and I don't know what that is. But if you have Tidal, apparently this is now added to the menu item, so we can see playlist and albums. So again, guys, I will check that out later actually and just see what this is about. I wonder if I can get a test account or something, or a temporary account to just give that a go. We got traffic aware cruise control chime. So now you will receive an audio alert when traffic aware cruise control is enabled. Okay, so that's actually quite good to be able to get a warning signal or some sort of alert that is on, and you can disable it if you want to. So again, a nice feature there. And I never even knew this, right, that we've got new language support for the UK. I didn't know we did have it. So fantastic. So we've been updating you guys that, you know, other regions have been getting their language support, and good for them, but it looks like we've got something here. So let's just read it real quick. So British English is a language, I mean, it should be the default anyway, British English, but there you go. So we can update the language if we go to controls and display, and we'll select that. So we will definitely do that as we are here in the UK, and we will go with that option. All right, so guys, that's the improvement. So we've got added stop, we've got the cold weather improvements, we've got this new Tidal media that we're going to have to check out, we've got this traffic awareness for cruise control, so this extra chime that they've sent, and we've got some support for British English. So the other great feature with this is, now that we've got these new controls, this is what we can do when we leave the car. So we can actually tell it, so when we leave the car, it will keep on the temperature and keep it optimized. So we can tell it what temperature to keep on, and when we step out of the car, we're doing errands, we go shopping, we go to the gym, or wherever we just leave the car, we can actually leave the setting on. That is such a useful feature to be able to do that. So thank you, Tesla. That I really like that. I hope you guys are going to find that so useful. Okay guys, so let's have a real quick look at this. So we got British English, so we go to display, the touch screen, and we got the languages in there. So hopefully we can see if anything's been added here. There you go, we got British English, so we will choose British English. Thank you very much. And it will probably just do a little bit of a restart on that one. But yeah, that's going to be interesting. I think all the language options are going to be very specific to British English. I don't know what the real difference is going to be, just that things will be pronounced correctly, but let's see. But there you go, that's the language support. All right guys, so this is the extra update on the sat navigation. So if I put a destination here, I've got a plus, so I can do a plus, and then I can add in another errand. So I'll do Costco as well. So look, can you see it's added in the destination that I originally put in, but it's also given me a stop to the extra place that I want to go. Fantastic, what a great update. Okay guys, and that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found that useful. Great features for this cold weather, which I'm sure you're experiencing here in Europe and, you know, other places in the US as well. And guys, I hope you enjoyed our festivities as well. We'll show you a little bit more. I'm hoping to do a few more videos before Christmas, and we'll show you the sort of things we're getting up to as well. The other thing guys is, as you might have seen, we did get an update from Tesla, a couple of updates. One, that our Model X has been delayed further. So it's end of next year, but we got an email that it's going to be even further out, and they are going to stop people ordering the Model X and S for a while until they are able to fulfill those orders. So that's a real bummer. So they are given the option to cancel that, so we're going to have to see, but we still are on target to get our Model Y at the beginning of the year. So let's hope that that still stays on track. And one of the great news is we have been invited to go and see the Model Y. It's going to be at Westfield's Tesla, so we've got an appointment booked to go there in a couple of weeks time. We will definitely be filming that and showing you that, so that will be our first view of the new Model Y for people that have pre-ordered their cars already. So I hope you guys are going to stay tuned and enjoy that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this update and the things that we got up to, and please guys, like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll catch you on the next one.